So good morning everyone, I'm back with some new innovative tricks and techniques. So today we're going to see how to multiply the number which are closer and lesser than 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, there are two formula. One is a minus g slash c into d and second one is b minus c slash c into d. So there are two formula from which we can find the multiplication which are closer and lesser than 100, 1000 and 10,000. Okay, so it is on you. Either if you want to apply this formula you can, otherwise this. In the both section you will get the same answer. Okay, so now the challenging part is that how to find the value of a, b, c and d. Okay, so just focus here. Let's take some example. Okay, the first one. For example, if you want to multiply 93 into 97, 93 into 97. So can I say both the number they are closer to 100. So base for this both the number is 100. So now the challenging part is that how to find the value of a, b, c and d. Focus here. So 93 and 97. We have to multiply. So we got the value of a and b. Now the challenging part is that to find the value of c and d. As you get the value of c and d, substitute the value in the given formula, you will get the answer. Okay. So now, so can I say 93 is closer to 100 and 97 is also closer to 100. 93, can I say it is 7 less, 7 less, 7 less, 7 less. And 97 is 3 less. Okay, but we have to multiply 2 digit into 2 digit. So I will convert this 7 and 3 into 2 digit form. So how to convert this 7 and 3 into 2 digit form? I will write this 7 as 0, 7. Okay, because we have to multiply 2 digit number. So whenever you have to multiply 3 digit number, convert the value of c and d into 3 digit. So now you have to multiply the number into 2 digit form. So the value of, we got the value of c and d. So this will be 0, 3. So 93 is 7 less and 97 is 3 less. Now either you apply this formula or else this one, you will get the same answer. So what is the first formula? That is a minus g slash c into d. So can I say this is a and this is d. So let's see what you will get the answer. So 93 minus 03, that means 3 only. So what is 93 minus 3? Apply the formula a minus g. So 93 minus 3 is 90 slash c into d. So we have the value of c and d. So 07 into 03 because we have to multiply c into d. So 7 3s can I say it is 21 or else 07 into 03 it will give 21. So we got the answer. That is when you multiply 93 into 97 you will get the answer 9021. Okay, so let's check second example. For example, if you want to multiply 83 into 98. Both the number they are closer to 100. So this is 83 and 98. So we got the value of a and b. So challenging part is that to find the value of c and d. So can I say 83 is 17 less, 17 less, 17 less. And 98 is 2 less, but we have to convert into 2 digit form. So I will write as 02. So we got the value of c and d. Apply the formula either a minus g or b minus c, you will get the same answer. So 83 minus 2, so can I say the answer is 81 slash c into d, c into d. So 17 2s are, can I say it is 34. So we got the answer. When you will multiply 83 into 98, you will get the answer 8134. Okay. Now move on to the next example. Let's take the number which are closer to 1000. For example, if you want to multiply 992 into 997, big number. So both the number can I say they are closer to 1000. So 992 into 997, we got the value of a and b. Find the value of c and d in the same way, same procedure. So can I say 992, how much is less? Is 8 less, 8 less. But we have to multiply 3 digit number. So I will convert this 8 into 3 digit form. So I will write this 8 as 008. And this 997 is 3 less. I will write as 003. That is C and D. Apply the formula. 992 minus 003. So can I say you will get the answer 989. Yes or no? Slash C into T. So can I say 008 into 003? 8 3s are, it is 24, or else if you multiply 008 into 003, you will get the answer 24, but we have to convert the answer into 3-digit form, so I will write as 024, because 8 3s it is 24. But when you will multiply C into D, its product also it should be in terms of 3-digit form. So we got the answer, that is 989024. Okay. Let's take one more example, last one, the closer to 10,000. 9994 into 9997. So 9994, 9997. So can I say both the number they are closer to 10,000? How much less? Can I say it is 6 less? 6 less. But we have to convert into 4-digit form. This it is 3 less. So 003. Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So apply the formula A minus G, or else B minus C. So this you will get 9991. C into D. 6 3s are 18. But we have to convert the answer into 4-digit form. So I will write as 001. So we got the answer, that is 99910018. Last, let's see. 750 into 998. So big number. Can I say the base for this both the number is 1000. So 750, 998. So can I say 750 how much less? It is 250 less. 998 how much less? It is 2 less. So this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Apply the formula A minus G, or else B minus C. So can I say 750 minus 2? You will get 748. Multiply C into D. So can I say 250 into 2 is 500. As a product, it should be in the form of 3-digit form. So answer is in terms of 3-digit form. So we got the answer, that is when you will multiply 750 into 998, you will get the answer 748500. So I hope so you understood the concept. If you understood the concept, please like, share, comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye. See you in next video.